evening, sir.
Good evening.
We are at now CPHI India exhibition here, and we have with us Mr. Harish Solanki, who is a Deputy Manager, India, and we have Mr. Suresh Kumar, who is also Deputy General Manager from India. And we would like to hear from them as to what has been their experience, what are their plans as to how they want to maneuver in the next 5 years.
Hello everyone. Myself Suresh Kumar. We AMI Polymer mainly into the silicon rubber products. In India, we are 25 years old company. Nowadays, we are into the single-use systems also. You can see here the products, single-use bags, single-use tubings, and apart from that, we have a different kind of rubber product manufacturing, EPDM, white tan, and film development manufacturing also we have. And we have even showcased our products, wide range of our silicon rubber products for the pharmaceutical applications, different kind of OEM applications like ABD gaskets and inflatable seals. Other than that, we have a trichlor gaskets and many of the more products, and we are into the medical division sector also. We have developed so many implant grade medical products, also implant grade and non-implant grade medical products. Mainly we are into the pharmaceutical services.
Can we have a round of with respect to various products?
Yeah.
These are majorly the silicone tubings which are used in biopharma and pharma industries for the solvent transfers in their parasitic pumps and other media transfers through one tank to another tank. These are the silicone tubings with different grades. We have got in TP MOCs also. Other than that, these are biopharma products, probe assemblies there, impellers, needle assemblies.
Where are they used actually? These products?
These are used in biopharma applications for transferring solutions from one end to another end.
These are tailor-made?
Yes.
These are tailor-made requirements?
These are tailor-made requirements. These are the bottle assembly. Now we have got the silicone hoses in different MOCs. We have got polyester braiding MOCs. We have got hoses with SS helical wire for vacuum applications. We have got heavy duty applications, hoses with 2 to 3 ply of fabrics for heavy duty applications for high temperature and pressures. And up to can manufacture up to size 4 inch.
So these products that you have are subject to some temperature range or what?
Yes, they are subjected to temperature range. If I talk about this one, this is polyester braiding hose. Maximum temperature it can sustain up to 150 degrees Celsius. And if I talk about this hose, the maximum temperature can reach up to 180 degrees centigrade.
Okay.
Yes. And then these are our general kitchen utensils product for babies, made up of pure food grade silicones. For feeding cup is there, spoons are there for feeding the baby, small childs and babies.
So what are the advantages of having such kind of a kit for a kid?
The major advantage is into they are food grade, easy to handle, easy to clean.
Easy to clean?
Yes. Then we have got the medical range also. These are silicone breathing tube which are majorly used in ventilators in hospitals we are supplying. These are silicone breathing tubes. Then these are gynecologist products which are used for women hygiene. The range of women hygiene product. Menstrual cup is there, pessary rings are there, Kegel balls are there.
And you say there are some heart valve jar, etc. What are these products?
These are the customized product which we are developing to one of our products, one of our customer. These are customized product used in one type of assemblies.
So this is normally given to hospitals?
Yes. Then we are having menstrual cup. It is a replacement of sanitary pads.
Okay.
Yes. So major advantage of the using menstrual cups are we can reuse the menstrual cups, and the shelf life of the menstrual cup is up to 5 years.
5 years?
Yes.
That's something good.
Yes.
Great. Okay.
Then these are our range of ophthalmic products. We are supplying consumable items like silicone phaco sleeves, silicone buckles, silicone sponge gaskets, bands, IOL ejectors. These are used for majorly used when we are doing eye surgery or in ophthalmic products we are taking.
That's department.
Then these are customized bellows, dust cup bellows majorly used in pharma industries for protecting their cylinders through dust and oil leakages.
So you cover it up actually?
Yes.
Okay.
Like this. and these are flexible, so that it's move up and down. So it is flexible.
So the basic metal doesn't get
No.
dust.
Yes. We can prevent the system from dust actually. Then we have certain customized attachments all over the range used in different pharma applications. If I talk about suction cups, these are having application in solar industries also, in manufacturing of solar cells or panels. Yes, simple application is there, pick and place in their production line, assembly line.
Assembly line.
Yes.
Do they not wear and tear over a period of years, or what is the lifetime?
Lifetime is up to 6 months to 8 months.
Oh,
Yes.
that's
So we have got the O-ring kit box, which are majorly used for maintenance purpose. We have got different MOCs in O-rings. We can provide EPDM O-rings, Viton O-rings, silicone O-rings, FFKM O-rings, Teflon O-rings.
And which of them is the hottest selling item?
O-ring kit, we have silicone O-rings.
Silicon O-ring.
Yes. And now we have got the diaphragms and all used in pharma industries when we need to control or operate the flow of any particular solvents or media transfer. Different types of
Solvents.
Yes. We install in between the pipeline, and we can control the flow of the solvent by operating this diaphragm. What will happen if you above side there is a handle, and we can turn that handle by 90 degrees, so it will close and open.
So the regulation of a fluid is done through this.
Yes.
They act as a regulators types.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, that's good. And these huge pipes, long
Yes. Different silicone hoses are there, majorly used in pharma and biopharma industries for transferring their media from one container to another container.
Oh,
Yes.
transfusion and transfer.
Right.
So now, I mean, how long has it? I mean, which of these you say is hot cake? The demand of
Yes,
it?
silicone hoses and silicone tubing. Yes, the most valuable products of AMI polymer.
Last question now. What do you foresee the business of all this in the coming years?
Currently, if I talk about AMI polymer, for India region, we have dominated the Indian market from last 10 to 15 years. As such, we are 25 years old company, so we are having majorly presence in India. And now we are targeting for export regions also. International markets, what we see as a major opportunities. We are going for different branch offices in USA, South America, Europe region, Russian markets. And India, we got the marketing offices all over the different states. If I talk about our main headquarters is in Mumbai. Now we are targeting the small places also. Means if I talk about Jammu and Kashmir, Kolkata, West Bengal. So these are currently untapped market in India. So we are targeting to open the branch offices over there also, and the warehouses in North India also.
Those are your expansion plans.
Yes, these are our expansion plans for coming years.
That's very nice. We are glad to hear all this knowledge from you.
Thanks a lot,
Right?
sir. Same
And
here.
on behalf of VC Media, thank you.
Thank you so
And we
much.
wish
Thank
the
you.
entire team of AMI Polymers the very best.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, sir.